It's scary, but the thing that keeps me going is, just make it to the end of the week, and then you could worry about the next week.
Connor Woodrum is a 20-year-old high school graduate living on his own for the first time and wondering how he'll make it.
Groceries have been getting steadily more expensive. I find myself buying less and less.
And making it even worse, his car broke down and suddenly he needed cash to buy another one or he couldn't get to his job.
Here is your direct payment update. Social Security can get up to $1,800 in cash that is supposed to go out to millions of Americans in just a few days. Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another show where we talk about stimulus, politics, and we do a ton of giveaways. We're doing a $250 giveaway for 2 lucky subscribers. The information is down below, and that's not all. We're doing a $100 Visa gift card giveaway at the end of this week for 1 lucky subscriber. All you have to do is smash that like button and comment the word Visa gift card for your chance to win. Guys, we've got so much news to talk about. Let's dive in. So we all know that President Biden took a trip to Saudi Arabia. Now, of course, we know what it's about. It's about oil, and it's about getting more in our reserves to make up for what we've sent out. Now, there are many people that agree and many that don't agree. Well, Bernie Sanders is one that doesn't. In fact, he said that he really doesn't think that it was a good idea for the President of the United States to go to a dictatorship country with their guy who literally was involved in a murdering of a journalist. Take a look at this. U.S. Senator Bernie Sanders slams Biden over Saudi visit. Senator Bernie Sanders on Sunday criticized President Joe Biden's visit to Saudi Arabia, saying it rewarded a dictatorship and should have never taken place given its leader's involvement in murdering a journalist. Now, of course, many people feel the same way. It's not a good look. It's not a thing that we really want to be a part of. But then it looks like we're between a rock and a hard place because people need help. Take a look at this video because people are literally turning to anybody they can, even to family members, to get some help. Check out this video, and if this doesn't show you what reality is, then I don't know what will, but let's see this video.
Paying more to borrow money is causing some to turn to their friends and family for a little help. According to the latest census data, more than 30 million Americans reported that they rely on their support network for financial backing just last month. That's up 38% from the same time last year. But lending to loved ones can be tricky. Here's CNBC's Andrea Day.
It's scary, but the thing that keeps me going is, just make it to the end of the week, and then you could worry about the next week.
Connor Woodrum is a 20-year-old high school graduate living on his own for the first time and wondering how he'll make it.
Groceries have been getting steadily more expensive. I find myself buying less and less.
And making it even worse, his car broke down and suddenly he needed cash to buy another one or he couldn't get to his job. He says his only option was to turn to his brother-in-law, Christian, for financial help.
I was terrified when I asked Christian, hey, I need help to get a car.
He didn't have a lot of savings and didn't have credit to start with.
Christian wanted to loan him cash, but didn't want to hound him for payments.
And I just didn't want the awkwardness. I didn't want the hassle. I said, Connor, we're going to figure out how you'll pay this back.
After searching online, he found a company called Pigeon Loans. It doesn't lend money, just provides tools for managing loans between family and friends. The person lending money can choose to charge interest or not. Like Christian.
I just wanted to give him a better start. I had a high interest loan, and once I finally paid that off, it felt amazing.
Pigeon co-founder Caben Clausen.
The bookkeeping is automated. The reminders are automated.
Pigeon's free to use. Caben says the company makes money from referral fees for other banking services promoted on the site.
So over the last quarter, we've grown 200% in the amount of people active on Pigeon Loans.
And Pigeon's not the only option. Another company, Zirchu, offers similar services. But financial pros say loaning money isn't always the best idea.
The likelihood of you getting the money back is probably very slim.
Lizetta Braxton is a certified financial planner.
The bottom line is, are you willing to lose the money? And if you're comfortable with your decision, just know it may be a gift instead of a loan.
But for Christian and Connor,
My brother-in-law has been fantastic on paying the loan every single month.
It's scary to think about the position I'd be in if it weren't for them.
So, Shep, it looks like things are working out for that family. But Lizetta says if you decide to lend out money to your family and friends, make sure that you have the transaction well documented, something more than just a handshake, just in case things do go wrong.
So what you saw is happening to millions of people out there. People that are struggling, people that's cars broke down, people that literally trying to make ends meet by working and just trying to make it through the week. One thing he said is, I literally had a flashback, that was me long time ago, literally just trying to make it through the week. Car wasn't working the best, trying to work a job, trying to work as much as you can to put food on the table, and yet sometimes it feels like it's just not enough. Guys, if you know exactly what I'm talking about, then smash that like button and let us know. And thank you guys for all those that commented how much gas was in your area. I literally stepped in, so I live near Kentucky, and we crossed the line. It literally was 10 minutes away from my house, and I looked at their gas station. Gas was $3.79. I couldn't believe it, guys. I was floored. So I just wanted to let you know, Franklin, Kentucky, $3.79. All right, guys, now moving on to the Social Security cash up to $1,800. That's just going out in a few days. I want to show you all this news, so let's jump on the screen. Direct payment updates. Social Security cash up to $1,800 to land in millions of Americans' bank account in days, guys. Millions of Americans are set to receive Social Security payments worth up to $1,800 a month within days. Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, is designed to provide relief to those who can no longer work at the same capacity as once before. Around 8 million people qualify for Social Security. Americans born between the 11th, the 20th, will get their next installment on July 20th. Most claimants receive between $800 and $1,800 a month. Meanwhile, those who were born between the 21st and the 31st of the month will get their benefit on July 27th. But the claimants who started receiving SSDI in 1997 or earlier will have already received their July benefit as it went out on the first day of the month. Payments are normally deposited on the 3rd, but this month the date fell on a Sunday. Applicants must prove that they can no longer work or perform a job because of their disability prevents them from doing most work for at least a year in order to be eligible for the benefit. Americans that suffer from chronic anemia, kidney failure, epilepsy, and ADHD may qualify for the benefit. Experts are estimating cost of living adjustment could be between 9.8% and 11.4%. The COLA for 2023 could be 10.5%, according to the Senior Citizens League. Now, guys, that is some very exciting news, but that is a quick update to let you know that for those on SSDI, your payment is coming just in a few days from $800 a month up to $1,800. And guys, we wanted to bring this update to you. We haven't done Social Security in a while, and yet we're still digging more information for those that are literally sending out checks to the states. We're sending out more and more information. We're seeing many people jump on board, many states that are offering stimulus information, and as of now there hasn't really been any update, but you know that on this channel we stay on top of it throughout the day. We're consistently researching, looking for every state that is offering stimulus check relief. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Don't forget about all the giveaways. Spread the word, let them know about this channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you enjoyed this video. Guys, stay tuned because I've got some more information heading your way. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And until next time, I'm John Miro. Peace.